And we're back with another sneaker unboxing video. This time we got this classic Jordan box with me, and as you can already tell by the title of the video, it is an Air Jordan 13 retro box, and it is none other than the newly released Air Jordan 13 retro playoffs colorway. Now these are coming out, I believe, on February 18th, Saturday, February 18th, for a retail price of $210. But these did shock drop, I think, about a week and a half ago, and I did cop on the shock drop. I got a shock drop W, as did a lot of people, so I got these slightly early. That's why I decided to make a video on them. But these are really cool, a very dope colorway, OG colorway of the Jordan 13. And as I've mentioned in a lot of previous videos, I for one am very attracted to retro, or I mean OG colorways of Jordan models that, you know, Michael Jordan himself wore. But here's a close-up look at the shoe. Let me know what you think. I think this shoe is amazing. Jordan 13s don't get that much love from the masses, but I definitely like them. I don't know what it is about them, you know, some people might not like how it looks. I kind of dig them, so, you know, like what you like, wear what you like. These last retroed, I believe, in 2011, so it's been about 12 years or so since they last came out, so it was due for a proper retro. As take a look here at the little 23 Jumpman hologram thing. It's kind of hard to see with the light, but these shoes are definitely fresh, man, and the materials are very good. I wouldn't say like amazing or premium, but they're very, you know, they're very standard of Jordan quality. It's not anything bad. It's just, you know, what you expect. You're not going to be disappointed. It's a fresh looking colorway, fresh looking shoe. So I hope you enjoyed these little close-up shots. Let's take a look at these on feet. Alright, here's the Jordan 13 retro playoffs on feet. Let me know what you think. This is a little close-up look of how they look on feet. And you know, I got my pants cuffed in this. I did do an uncuff, but the camera was out of focus, so I couldn't use that that video. But yeah, let me know what you think. I think these are a really dope shoe, like I said, and they look great on feet. In terms of sizing, I went true to size 11.5. That's my true to size. That's why I wear in all my Jordans, and they fit me perfect. So that's what I would recommend. And in terms of comfort, man, Jordan 13s, I don't know what it is about them, but they are one of the most comfortable Jordans that I've worn. And you know, this isn't I'm not going to get into the technology or anything of the shoe. That if you want that, that's other channels. You can go to other channels for that. I'm just simply taking a look at how these look and how these feel, and they feel great and they look great. Now really quick, while you're enjoying some of this on feet footage, I kind of want to address somewhat of an elephant in the room. I know it's been about 4 months or so since I last posted a video. I had started a new job, and I was kind of focusing all my time into that. And now that I'm more settled in and, you know, balancing my work-life balance, all of that, I want to start making more videos on this channel, uploading more videos when I get more shoes in. You know, 2023 is looking like it's going to be a great year for sneaker releases, and I'm just praying, you know, I can get my hands on some, and hopefully everyone else that wants shoes can get their hands on their shoes so they can rock them. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. It's been a while since I posted a video, so I'm really enjoying to get back into it, and I hope you guys enjoyed these shoes. Definitely one of my favorite Jordan releases so far of 2023. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.